And they're off. We've got all of our bots moving on this field. We've got attempts to score, successfully scoring on our Red Alliance here. And 5401 attempting to score an Algae. Not quite scoring the Algae on top there, but Red Alliance still walking away with 3 successful scores on level 4. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, we had a successful score on level 2, which means both of our alliances walking away with an alliance rank point. But let's get into our teleop period. Specifically on our blue side, we've got the Iron Devils attempting to pick up and score now. Iron Devils successfully attempting to score on that lower level, not quite doing it that last time. So let's see if they can do it this time. Lining up and successfully scoring in that level 1 area. And attempting to de-score an Algae, which but looks like a cut-in-half wheel that is spinning on top of their robot, attempting to de-score that Algae there. Meanwhile, we've got their alliance partners who are looking to score in the processor, picking up the Algae that they find along the way. 5401 so helpfully feeding them some Algae there so they can score it in their processor. Meanwhile, over on our Red Alliance side, we've got those fighting robotic owls trying to score up top as much as they can. We've got questionable engineering looking to score on all levels of the wreath here. We've got scores on 4, 3, and 2. 7587 looking to pick up a piece there. Successfully picking up and lining up to score on level 4. And successfully scoring that last coral piece on level 4, making room for questionable engineering to slip in there and score once again. We've got some defense happening from 2559, trying to get in the way of fighting robotic owls. Not quite lurking that last time, so they're moving on to defending against questionable engineering. It's a risky strategy, but they're committing to it over there. They've got some intense defense going on. Meanwhile, as we enter into our end game, we've got Iron Devils taking a bit of a turn there, but recovering quickly to score in that processor. Meanwhile, their alliance partners are going to climb, going to park. In these last couple of seconds, we've got a lot of attempts from our human player to score that Algae in the top. We've got parks, we've got climbs, but I'm not the ref, so we will see what these scores break down to in a second. And we've got scores up on our board. It is a win for the Red Alliance. Red Alliance walking away with a total of 160 points. A lot of coral points there with 95, but a lot of Algae points as well, totaling up with their leave and penalty points, giving them a score of 160. The Red Alliance is